Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off dark mode on Notability. The first method is that we change the app theme. So in our library and settings look dark, you need to change the global theme. So let's go to the library, the main screen where all your nodes are listed, and at the top left corner you will see setting icons, this gear icon right here. Tap on it. Now select the appearance, and here you will see under the theme you can select core light or dark blue or jet black. So let's go with this one, and just like that we have changed our background color. Now if you want to change the paper color inside the node, what you can do, now we have globally changed everything. But right here, if your menus are light but your page is still black, or vice versa, you need to change the individual node template, or if you want the menu light and the page black. So we have opened the specific node. Now I will go here to the Okay, so click here on this monitor at the top right corner, then head over here to the template settings, and right here we can change the colors of the pages. So let's go back. Now we would need to see that color changed. So if I do that, so at the top right corner, then hit apply button, and as you can see now we have some kind of the background here, just like that. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can change uh, dark mode into the more white, so brighten background. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next